It may be a tempting offer extended towards India by US President Donald Trump to become part of a group of elite countries that exclusively own the F-35. However, analysts have raised concerns about its long-term maintenance costs and whether its effectiveness will last. The fifth-generation aircraft, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, is a supersonic stealth fighter and is a multi-role combat aircraft that entered service in 2015. According to a US government report, this fighter jet's projected lifetime sustainment costs have surged to more than $1.58 trillion in 2023. Apart from the soaring costs, the F-35 struggles with performance issues, operations concerns, and reliability concerns, which can be attributed to its complex software. The report also pointed out that a $16.5 billion effort to upgrade the aircraft with improved radar, weapon systems, and software got tangled up with significant delays due to software stability issues. This, paired with manufacturing delays and the overall decline in fleet availability, has critics questioning the sustainability of the program. India's primary concern regarding the F-35 would have to be the mounting maintenance costs that increased from $1.1 trillion to $1.58 trillion in 2023. The F-35's manufacturer, Lockheed Martin, says it is the most advanced, survivable, and connected fighter aircraft in the world, a vital deterrent and the cornerstone of joint all-domain operations. The F-35 is a state-of-the-art fighter jet, but its maintenance and operational demands and costs must be taken into consideration if its projected costs can go up to $2 trillion. India must take all of these factors into account before accepting Trump's offer.